asked AI to fix my pool. It declared a biohazard. You know that sinking feeling when you peel back the cover in spring and your pool looks like a primordial smoothie? Yeah, that was me last week. Green water so thick you could practically walk on it. Naturally, I did what any modern pool owner would do. I asked AI for help. I upload a photo. The reply flashes, "Critical biohazard detected. Initiating emergency pool recovery protocol. Relax. Skynet." It's algae, not the apocalypse. At first, the instructions sound normal. Test the water. Shock the pool with 3 pounds of calcium hypochlorite. Okay, standard stuff. Then it gets weird. Step 8. Introduce beneficial prehistoric enzymes to restore ecological balance. Beneficial prehistoric enzymes? Cool. I'll just swing by the Cretaceous aisle at the pool store. I ask for clarification. Instead, the AI doubles down, calculating the molecular weight of algae cells and proposing a photosynthesis disruption array. All I need, apparently, is aluminum foil, a disco ball, and 47 tea lights arranged in a perfect Fibonacci spiral. Sure, let me just raid a nightclub in a math textbook. Meanwhile, buried under the sci-fi, there's actual good advice. Brush the walls daily. Run the filter non-stop. Keep the pH balanced. It's Pool Care 101. Just narrated like a doomsday briefing. So, I skipped the trilobite. Summoning Rikulingo. Old school. Chlorine. Generous chlorine. My eyes are watering from the patio. Kind of chlorine. Day 1. Still green but lighter. Day 2. The swirl starts to settle. Day 3. The water goes glassy. So clear it looks like the bottom of the pool has a faint constellation pattern. No prehistoric creatures. No 6-inch holographic lifeguard screaming, "Evacuate the splash zone." Here's the aha. AI is great at giving you the basics fast. Brush, filter, balance, chlorinate. If your pool guy starts talking about beneficial trilobites, congratulations. You've hired a time traveler. Maybe find a new pool guy. As for the photosynthesis disruption array, turns out when you're done not building it, that disco ball makes a killer poolside light show. And that's it. Clear water. Calm afternoon. AI can help you fix a pool. Just fact check before you summon ancient sea life. Cut. Music off. We're done here.